Okay, everyone, welcome to the new video of Scratch. In this video, we are going to see how we can make our own backdrop or a background in Scratch. So, here in this, we are going to use this paint option, and then this window will open up. Now I wanted to make a background of some mountains and other things. So what I will do is I'll select this uh, brush. I think this 20 size would work. And also I'll select this color, so I'll make it a bit darker like this, and then I'll try to make the mountains. Like this, and I'll just close it from down. So you see कि whatever I'm doing here appears on the stage. Now I want to make the mountains like a bit brown, so I'll choose the brown color, choose the bucket and fill it with this option. Also I'll can select a circle. uh, so yes, then you can add maybe a circle with the yellow color, or yeah, so you can add a circle that's basically depicts the sun. You can fill it with color like this. So yes, this is how you can make your own custom background, and when you go to the code, this will appear on the stage and will work as a backdrop. So this is how you can make your own custom backdrop in the Scratch. Yes, see you in the next video.